Okay, this is Prairie Day. I thought we didn't have to get on a school bus today. Because it's Saturday.
Oh, Dad, over here. Over
Sit
here.
there? Alright. Alright, here we go. I've never had a school bus go through the woods before. Does your school bus go through the woods? This is getting crazy. School bus through the woods. What do you see? Okay, well we gotta figure out how many wooden nickels that everything costs. We'll go get like 20 of them. Let's go check out the activities. See some Native Americans over there. No, it's just a puzzle game. Try to get them apart. You gotta stack them up in a diamond.
Remember, like, in the great hoop rolling contest, like cookies with those?
I need to fix that other one.
Let's see these, check out these dollies.
Dad, there's nothing in here, right?
Yeah, there's nothing in it. Whoa! Do it again.
I don't know if I want you to eat them.
Where'd you find pawpaws, man? Those are...
Because, you know, it's, I don't know, it's a private resort or something.
So cool. Yeah, fox snake.
And some other stuff, and but yeah, he's got some pretty crazy stories. Right now he's out in California doing tailed frogs and working on invasives up there.
Oh, neat. Very cool. Yeah, I worked at the
Timber rattlesnake.
working at the Las Vegas Springs Preserve. I don't know if you've heard about that, but I was one of the,
What do we have over here?
on it, documenting everything that was on the 180-acre site before they broke ground and started.
Oh yeah, this is a bull snake.
Gardens and building the visitor center.
That's cool.
Yeah, he
You
has
guys
stories
are big.
going out and checking
Yeah.
rays out in the desert.
He looks
Walking down
three
the
different
road,
colors.
and
This
coming
one,
back
this
and
one,
mountain
and then
lion
that
tracks and follow his tracks all the way out. And he's like,
Cool.
it's a little unnerving.
Yeah. What does it feel like?
Feels like Lucy.
Pretty heavy to carry around.
It's an elk.
First rough, isn't it?
The predators don't eat me because I'm poisonous because I ate milkweed. That's the same reason why
You already took one.
monarchs have this coloring warning the predators. Hey, don't eat me. I'm poisonous because I have milkweed in my
Cool
body.
milkweed bags.
And this is a mimic. This butterfly mimics the monarch. It's called a viceroy. It's not poisonous, but it wants to look poisonous. So that's why it looks like monarch.
Wow, cool.
You guys come out and visit us. We've got lots of events coming up. Free events on site.
Cool
How are you
birdie.
guys doing? You can come closer.
Pretty neat. There's a hawk over there. Red-tailed hawk.
And he had some neurological damage, and so he's pretty strong. Just gonna relax.
Pretty cool. Luca likes the guns. Alright, let's see how many coins. Luca was a good brother and gave Layla all of his little wooden nickel coins.
We got 23 coins. And I
Let's
have
look in here.
one.
Oh, one's pretty good, I guess.
From somewhat stacked up on each other, but yeah.
Wow, look at all those in there. We're gonna go pick out a present now and get some food.
Yeah.
Okay, let's figure out which one you're gonna get. What is that?
It's
Super ooze or spider ooze?
and then it has a spider there. I think I see it there.
Is that what you want?
Yeah, and then I want one of these little doggy things over there, but the real people.
Okay, let's go get it. And we'll have to tell the lady.
Okay.
Okay. What did you see over here you want to pick out? There's some cool ones.
These are pretty cool.
Those are cool.
Oh, this doggy.
You like him?
Is this a little?
These are 5. All these.
You playing this video?
Just of us walking on back.
Look.
Listen to Luca, he's talking.
A toy spotted dog and I can't remember. Gave me it. And I got it in my room. This dog is so soft.
Cute.
And then this, you can clearly see the spider.
Scary. Mommy will love that.
Oh, look how big this spider. Hit the bell.
We'll see you next time.
And we'll see you next time at Twins Play TV. Good day, everyone. That's Sis versus Rob.
It kind of is, actually.
Good day.
Sis and bro.
Good day.
Bye-bye.